Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Sketchpad filter on TikTok. It's really easy and simple to get. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like if you're unaware what it looks like first. It's just like a sketch out of the face that's on the camera. It's actually pretty cool. So all you have to do is go over to TikTok and just go over to the Discover tab, and you just want to search for Sketchpad. And there's search, and then you just want to click on videos, and you want to see if you can find someone using that filter. Just like right here. Once you find the filter about the person's username, you can click on the yellow link and then just click add to favorites, and this will be in your favorites now, so you can use it when you would like to. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.